In this video, I'll show you how to fix touchpad in laptop. First, press the Windows plus S keys on your keyboard. This will open Windows Search. Type touchpad. Select touchpad settings and press Enter. Check whether the touchpad is turned off. If it is disabled, turn it on. Now test your touchpad to see if it is working. If the touchpad is still not working, stay on the touchpad settings page. Click the arrow next to touchpad to expand the options. Scroll down until you find the Reset option. Click Reset. Wait a few seconds while Windows restores the default touchpad settings. After the reset is complete, test the touchpad again. It solved the issue and touchpad is working properly. That's it. This is how you can fix touchpad in laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.